Jaya Jaya Shankara, Hara Hara Shankara, Jaya Jaya Shankara, Hara Hara Shankara, Jaya Jaya Shankara, Hara Hara Shankara, Jaya Jaya Shankara. Mahaperiyava Satcharitham, Chapter 10. The Sound of Crackers and Veda Ghosha. This story is related by Dr. Sudha Seshayan, who was there when it happened. It shows Paramacharya performing a miracle while it looks as if he is playing like a child. The year was 1985. I had attended the Kamban Kalaga program the day before Deepavali in Kanchi, and on the next day, which was Deepavali, I went to Shri for Periyava's darshan. Bhaktas had assembled in large numbers, and plates with offerings of flowers, fruits, crackers and so on were all around Mahaperiyava in large numbers. I was standing there with my parents. A sizable number of students of some Veda Patashala were also present. Periyava asked them to chant Vedas and they obeyed. After chanting was over, one of the boys said in a piteous voice, "Swami, I am studying Veda Parayan. I know how important the voice quality is for chanting with clarity and precise pronunciation. But my voice freezes after a while, and no matter what I do, no sound emerges from my throat." It was as if Periyava had not heard the boy at all. He appeared busy looking at the crackers in the plates. The boy repeated, "See, I am chanting now, but you cannot hear a thing." His lips were moving, but no sound came, and no one can hear anything. Periyava again seemed oblivious of what the boy was showing and saying, and was seen thinking something else. As the crowd surged, the boys were compelled to move, and they asked, "Swami, Prasad?" Periyava was having few fruits in his hand and was seen playing with them. The Shri employee nearby bowed to Periyava and said, "Periyava may please give prasad to them," with an intention to reduce the gathering. Periyava looked up at him and said, "I want prasad too." The employee stretched his hand to take a plate that had crackers in it, but Periyava snatched it from him, saying, "For me," and dragged it near him. This playful snatching and dragging went on for a few minutes between Periyava and the staff. The boys moved reluctantly, and when the boy who had complained about his voice passed him, Periyava gave him a saravedi, bunch of crackers that go off in a sequence. The boy bowed his head and took the prasad. Just as the next boy passed, Periyava called him and said, "Ask that boy to chant Veda now. Here, chant this specific portion," and he mentioned a specific section. The boy started to chant, and his voice came out with volume and clarity of thunder. "Ah, your voice problem is solved. You are okay now. Go," said Periyava. He was still bent on the plate with fruits and crackers and playing with them like a child. Jaya Jaya Shankara, Hara Hara Shankara, Mahaperiyava Charanam.